everybody, welcome back to The Real Deal with Jen Buller at Lacombe Ford. It's wonderful to see everybody again. I know it's been a while since we've done these videos, but I'm very happy to be starting up again. So today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about a program that most people don't know about that Ford has. It's called the Limited Maintenance Plan. This plan is available on all makes and models, so you don't have to drive a Ford to be able to take advantage of this. And any vehicle that is under 11 years old or 160,000 kilometers on the odometer qualifies for this program. The Limited Maintenance Program is going to cover you for your oil changes, tire rotations, multi-point inspections. It also covers roadside assistance. So instead of having one of those annual fees like from AMA, pay for everything up front and you're covered for 1, 2, 3, or 4 years. You get to choose. Roadside assistance offers you great peace of mind. It's going to cover you for towing, flat tire change, trip planning, emergency travel expense reimbursement, battery boosting, winch out, lockout assistance, and fuel delivery. It's a great program and you don't pay an annual fee. It's a one-time only and you have coverage up to 4 years. So if your vehicle is out of warranty, doesn't qualify for a Ford prepaid maintenance plan, LMP might be the best thing for you. The peace of mind of the roadside assistance, plus you lock in your maintenance costs for the next couple of years. It's a great way to ensure that you keep your vehicle maintained, but you also have the peace of mind for anything that might go wrong. Talk to your service advisor today for more information on the different plan types and pricing available for our LMP. And remember, this is all makes and models, so you don't even have to drive a Ford in order to take advantage of this great plan. Thanks again for watching another episode of The Real Deal with Jen Buller from Lacombe Ford. And as always, if you have any questions you want answers to, drop them in those comments and I'll get to them. Thanks so much.